back to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Maya. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe, like some videos, watch some videos, give me some feedback. Any and everything is welcomed here. So I first want to start off by saying I'm so sorry if I sound like I'm talking funny. I got my bottom braces put on today, and it does feel a little funny, so I'm just trying to get used to the feel of it. But today, basically what I'm going to be doing for you guys is a mini NotPolish mystery box unboxing. And yes, this video is in association with my NotPolish XL mystery box unboxing. If you have not watched that video, please stop this video and go watch it. It looks just like this. So at least that way you know what products I got in my XL mystery box, you know, pretty much the damages, the spillage that happened with that. But I did reach out to NotPolish in regards to, you know, my issues with my mystery box. It took them about a week, but they did finally get back in touch with me, guys. When they responded back, they basically gave me two options. I could either have them replace the products that were damaged and spilt, or they would send me new mystery products in place. And I have to be quite honest, you guys, part of some of the products that actually spilt or were damaged in my NotPolish XL mystery box was part of their dip it system. I don't do dip, guys. So me having them replace those same products kind of wouldn't have done me any justice. So I did opt for the mystery products. That box has finally come in today, so I'm going to be doing that mini unboxing for you guys, and I just want you guys to let me know if you feel like, okay, you know, NotPolish redeemed themselves with these products. Now I have to be quite honest, this year was my first year of buying a NotPolish mystery box. I don't want to sound like I was just so unhappy with my mystery box, because I wasn't. I did like the mystery box. I just wasn't very happy with the mystery in the mystery boxes, because I felt like everyone kind of got the same stuff, especially when it came to the Mylar collection, the dip it system, the refill bottles of the dip it system, and then of course the spillage. Though that was the whole thing for me. But yeah, so I got my box here, my mystery mini box today from NotPolish. So I'm going to be doing that unboxing for you guys. Now, once again, if you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe, like the video. It's greatly appreciated. But I'm going to stop rambling now and get into the unboxing. You guys just, once again, let me know if you feel like they redeemed themselves with this. Here we go. As you can see, guys, NotPolish definitely did tape this box up pretty good. So you saw me a couple times cut and then realized that there was somewhere else that I would need to cut in order to get the box open. Alrighty, here we go, guys. So let's see here. The first product that we are going to pull out, I'm just going to start pulling out the bubble wrapped products first. Just taking a look at the top of this, I kind of already know what it is. Not that I've owned it before, but I am familiar with how the bottle looks. It's their neutralizer for their monomer. I've heard really good things about this, and it really does smell wonderful, just like everyone says. So very, very happy to get that. Next, we are pulling out what looks like to be a gel liner. As you can see, I had some trouble pulling this out as well, so I'm going to pull the tape off. It is their gel liner in White Lies. I think I'm going to show it to the camera right about now. White Lies, in which I have to be quite honest, guys, I'm very happy to get this as well because I do have a set of gel liners that's not from NotPolish, and I am currently running out of the white, and it's the one I use the most. So I'm very, very happy to have this as well. Thank you, NotPolish. Next, it looks like we have an acrylic here. It's a very light pinkish color. I do see it's from their candy coated collection called Sweet Spot. I do believe I got about 3 acrylics in my XL mystery box from that same candy coated collection, so thank you. I do not currently own that one. We have another acrylic here. It looks like a really light red, but still with, of course, like a pinkish hue to it. This one is called Sneaky Link. If I'm not mistaken, I think this is from the Revenge X collection. I don't have that one either. Third, we have another acrylic. This one is a white acrylic called Purple White. This one actually glows in the dark. I do currently own this one. So at this point, guys, I am very happy with the products they sent me in place of my damaged products. Let me know what you guys think below.